So I was looking for an alternative to Openclaw. I already found Hermes agent and it works fine. However, I wanted to try out some different project that would not be much of a headache like Openclaw is. So OpenCrabs is one such new alternative and they have single binary setup. Also you will find they have typical usage with Mac OS, Linux, and Windows. So it's good to see that new projects are basically launching with the option of single binary, single setup. So you can use Rust Cargo, can build from source or from single binary. You can download this and you can see can build from source here. Now what I can do is I have to go through the steps to first install libcomp1. So yeah, we will go through that. Let me open terminal. I will dictate one command at a time. So if for new Ubuntu, if this is already available, then I don't have to worry about it. So let me install with the first command. And you can see it is already available in the newest version of Ubuntu. So this is Ubuntu 26.04. So it's available. Now we can also go with the tag name. Let me copy entire command. So let me paste here. And if I enter, you will notice next is our curl command to download the package and then extract that. As you can see, we can let it run. So it will be done on our root, that's why it is going on. And next is basically running the application. So not a lot to go through. Simply run this dot then / OpenCrabs. Right now what I can do is I can go with the quick start sensible defaults 4-step. So we will go with that. Right, so here if we hit, you can see the path is /home/ my username and then OpenCrabs. So we'll go with that. It will have C template files, solemd, identity and user md, right? So we'll go with that, hit enter. Next we have to use open code key, so it won't require any API key and free models will be usable. So we'll use that, hit enter. It will fetch the list of models. So we have to pick what is available for free. So a lot of models are paid here. So wait till the free flag next to the model comes up. Right. So here you see Llama, open code, open router. Right. So here open code is there, Mimo, which is free, and it will remain free for long. So we will pick that. Right. Now here you can see keep me running in the background, install as a systemd user init. You can use this if you want to, or you can simply skip this, right? And if you run this with setting up a daemon, then you may have to go through the proper installation process on this part, right? Now we can say yes, install daemon, and we will continue. If you want to skip, you can skip. Let me continue with this. Now you can see all the checks are completed. I can hit enter. Now here it asks me about myself. So let's see. I have to give me my name. Manish is my name, and developer with experience and so on. I'm not on interview, so I won't be going through all of that. So I will just give initial intro, right? So next is hitting enter. Then your OpenCrabs, the more you drop the better, right? So we'll just enter to generate, and we are next. So here you can see it is now letting us run the instance of OpenCrabs. We already have this Memo model along with the service running in the background. I want to also find out the uninstall process, because now that we know how to install it, it would be fair to see how it can be uninstalled. Just like Hermes agent, you can ask it to perform certain tasks, and I want to see one task where I am running one agent, right? So for that, here you can see I have my documents and downloads, but I'm running at some startup items, right? So I want to find out what startup items are running in my system. So we will ask, is it possible for you to find that out? So we will ask something like this, specific to system, so that it can go through it and figure it out. Right, so there is one custom entry which is running on auto start. I want to remove that, and let's say I want to stop or remove the Jarvis desktop auto start entry, right? So is it possible for you to remove that, right? So it may ask me for permission on file deletion. Hopefully it does, because I don't want it to access something and do things on my behalf, right? So hopefully it will remove that. So it is running one command that is going to remove that particular file. So here you can see it is also being removed from the auto start, and it seems like a decent job done. It is removed with the bash command, and it required two command to remove that. It also found the Python script, and it is most probably going to remove that. Hopefully it doesn't, because I can access that and maybe improve upon it in upcoming future. I just want to remove the whole executable that is running at the time of startup. So as you can see, this is a good alternative to Openclaw. It can do your work. It can also be used to solve some of the issues that you have on your system. So for Linux and Mac, that would be easier. In case of Windows, it will hit a lot of walls and the permission issues and the variety of issues that may happen where you have to watch out with. But for single executable and like 4 steps to install, on the top you have free models to access to. I think this is a decent project that is starting up. So I would recommend this for anyone who wishes to try this out as an alternative to Openclaw.